Hello my dear students. As you know that the school is closed due to cold and chill weather, so we do care for you and your studies. So to keep you updated for your upcoming examination, I am here with a revisional video of subject mathematics. So students, in our previous video, we had discussed about Unit 4 Understanding Multiplication. Students, in this unit, we practice about understanding of equal size group and repeated addition as multiplication and multiplication of 2. Now we are going to discuss skip count by 5 to develop an understanding of 5 times table. So students, today I am here with revision of exercise 4.3 from your textbook. Students, look here, write the correct number in the circle, write the multiplication fact. So students, look here. Here a number line is given here. A rabbit jumps 5 steps each. So here let's count how many jumps of rabbit. So from 0 to 5, 1 jump. At 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here students, 7 jumps of 5 steps each. That makes 7 multiplied by 5 equals to 35. In second one, a mouse jumps 5 steps each. So let's count how many jumps he take. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, here 5 jumps of 5 steps each to make 5 multiplied by 5 equals to 25. Now in third, again let's count the jump of rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It means 8 jumps of 5 steps each to make 8 multiplied by 5 equals to 40. Now in next, here 9 jumps of 5 steps each. So students, 9 multiplied by 5 equals to 45. So this was a exercise related to topic skip count by 5. So I hope you understood this. Now students, multiplying by 10. Tina keeps her story books neatly. There are 3 shelves of books. Each shelf has 10 books. So students, here look here. This is a bookshelf of Tina and she keeps her story books neatly in her 3 shelves of book. So repeated addition fact, 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 30, and multiplication fact, 3 multiplied by 10 equals to 30. It means total books are 30. Now filling the blanks. Ramu's shop has 4 necklaces, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each necklace has 10 beads. Repeated addition fact: 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals to 40. It means 4 times 10 equals to 40. Now multiplication fact: 4 multiplied by 10 equals to 40. So total numbers of beads in necklaces are 40. Now let's come to the exercise 4.4. Fill in the blanks. So students, here in the filling the blanks, let's count the jump of rabbit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here 7 jumps of rabbit, 7 jumps of 10 steps each. To make 7 multiplied by 10 equals to 70. Now in second, let's count how many jumps of caterpillar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. It means 8 jumps of caterpillar. 8 jumps of 10 steps each to make 8 multiplied by 10 equals to 80. Now third one. 6 jumps of 10 steps each to make 6 multiplied by 10 equals to 60. Now students, our next topic is multiplying by 0. There are 3 flower pots in Sakshi's house. So how many flowers are there in the pots? So students, there are 3 flowers pot in the Sakshi's house. And how many flowers are there in the house? So there are 0 flowers. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 equals to 0 flowers. 3 groups of 0 flowers each. So 3 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. So students, when you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. So you have to remember this. When you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. Now students, multiplying by 1. Now Sakshi has put 1 flower in each pot. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3 flowers. So students, here look at this flower pot. There are 1 flower in each pot. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 3 flowers. So 3 groups of 1 flower each. That means 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. When a number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. At this point, you have to remember it. Now, fill in the circle. So students, here 4 multiplied by 0 equals to 0, because you know when you multiply any number by 0, the answer is always 0. Now second is 12 multiplied by 1 equals to 12, because you know very well when a number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. Now 21 multiplied by 0, 0. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3. 7 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. 82 multiplied by 1 equals to 82. 15 multiplied by 1 equals to 15. 6 multiplied by 1 equals to 6. and 100 multiplied by 1 equals to 100. So this was worksheet based on multiplying by 0 and multiplying by 1. So I hope you understood very well. Now students, let's come to the another way to write multiplication sum. So you can write the multiplication sum in two ways, like in a row or in columns. So students, first of all, in row you can write 3 multiplied by 2 equals to 6, and in column, first of all you have to write tens and ones place. Then 3 multiplied by 2, 3 is also one digit number and 2 is also one digit number. Now you have to multiply both one digit number, then you have to write it at ones place, 3, and in below 3 2, and here you can put the symbol of multiplication. Now let's multiply 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. So in next also in row you can multiply 7 multiplied by 5 equal to 35. You can write like this in row and like column in this sequence. Now use multiplication table to fill in the blanks. So students, first one is 7 multiplied by 4, 14 equals to 14. 3 multiplied by 5 equals to 15. 6 multiplied by 10 equals to 60. 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. 9 multiplied by 5 equals to 45. And 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12. 4 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. And 10 multiplied by 10 equals to 100. And 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. And 5 multiplied by 10 equals to 50. And 7 multiplied by 5 equals to 35. So my dear students, to do this, first of all, you have to learn the multiplication tables. After that, you can do this. Otherwise, you can't do it. So, don't forget to learn the multiplication tables. So students, this was the worksheet from your Unit 4. So I hope you understood the whole topics very clearly by the help of this video. So students, memorize the tables 2, 5 and 10, or memorize the tables up to 10 to do the Unit 4. And also learn to use multiplication table to multiply numbers vertically. So, explanation of all the exercises is completed now. Now, you have to practice all the exercises at home regularly in your PC copy. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you students. Bye and take care.